Yo, 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 what's up? This is Jeremy from J's Innovation Garage in the Peach Capital of the state, baby. All right, I did a short, now I'm going to do a long. All right, so I was looking for these band clamps, these exhaust band clamps, you know, the welding clamps, the tacks. So I hit my boy up, Brian, and I said, you got any of these? He's like, no, I use that C-clamp that's like that. And I was like, okay, I don't have none of that. So I looked it up online. I'm like, man, them boys is proud of them things. $149, $159 for a pack of 5. And I'm like, man, that ain't nothing but a piece of clamp. So let me show you what I did. So here I can get this like that. I can clamp that, and then I can TIG weld this all the way around. All right, I can put these band clamps on the mufflers, right? But, you know, I was like, okay, I can't do this when I'm doing the exhaust. So I said, you know what? I got some of this drop, right? So I took a piece of drop and I measured. I did 12, like 12, 3, and 6 or something. And I took my step bit from Harbor Freight and I went all the way to 7/8 hole. Bam! Just like that right there, right? So I got a clamp, I got a hole there, and then I took some old nasty, don't be worried about those wheels right there, because that's galvanized. And anybody know anything about welding galvanized, it ain't funny. So, like I said, oh, look out. That's like I said, this clamp right here is putting force here. I need that other clamp. It's like that claw to pull, so it pulls it more. But you see the concept. So I took a piece of this exhaust pipe, like so, like that, busted 3 holes in it, and then I cut 3/4 of the center out, 3/4. Then I folded it out. I clamped it around, so it looks, this is just like that. Clamped it around, put those old rusty bolts on there, clamped it, and it's tight. It is tight. It is tight. So, see, build on a budget. He'd be proud of me. See, I can do build on a budget too. I'm just not giving $170 for 4 or 5 stainless steel band clamps when I got a whole bucket full of these exhaust drops. So that right there will work. So I can clamp it, and then I can take my TIG rig and I can tack it there, and then I can rotate it and clamp it, tap that. Here I got it clamped all the way around, and it's good and flat, so I can tick all the way around, and then I can put it on the table, and then I can rotate it, and I can TIG this in. But I got all this done, so now it's exhaust time, because this is what I'm using. I'm using these right here. I'm using these band clamps. So that's all I got on that. And then my, hold on, where's that? My TIG rig, where's she at? Right here. My TIG rig is a Dynasty 280 water cooled. Body shop, man, it's rough on stuff. It's all dusty, but I keep it blowed out. But that's a little tip right there. You don't have to buy it. You can make it. I appreciate you. Remember when I said, don't worry about the man up the road or down the road. Sweep off your own front porch while it's sweeping off anybody else. Put God first, that loose end drag. Piece of chicken grease. I'm out.